It's been a while since Wooseok last replied to a shipper photos uploaded by fans on Weverse, but yesterday he did it again. He commented and reacted to a funny edited photo of him and Hyeyoon. Speaking of reaction to shipper photos, the brand that collaborated with Wooseok, Euthymol, also commented on a fan art of Wooseok and Hyeyoon. Fans are hoping to see Hyeyoon also become models for the brand someday. And this morning, the skincare brand Rawquest officially announced Kim Hyeyoon as their newest brand ambassador. The brand highlighted the reason for choosing Hyeyoon, citing her bright, clear, and clean image. We're gonna see Hyeyoon's face everywhere again.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high.